How to log into your Affin Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily log into your Affin Bank's online banking account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your web browser. I have opened up my Google Chrome, so you can use any of your web browser, and then search for Affin Bank. Now click on the first link that you see on the result, and you will be directly taken to the Affin Bank's official webpage. So all you have to do here is tap on the login option at the top right corner, and then from here you can choose your personal account. Now you will be taken to the login portal. So all you have to do here is provide your username and then click on login. And in case if you have forgotten your username, you can click on forgot username like here to simply recover your username. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click here to recover your password as well. You can reset your password with your card pin or challenge questions that you have selected before you made your account. And once everything is correct, you can just simply click on login and you will be logged into your account. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.